creating, editing, and deleting quotes. Quotes provide businesses with formal pricing proposals, helping establish clear expectations and build trust with clients. The Finance module allows you to easily manage your quotes for effective financial data management. Creating a quote. To create a new quote, begin by navigating to Finance from the Explorer sidebar and then click Quotes. You are now on the Quotes list page. Click on the New Quote button. This will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. The fields that appear highlighted in red are mandatory for creating a new quote. Fill out the details and then click on Create and Open. Once the New Quote Details page opens, you will notice the Quote Line Items section about halfway down the page. Click New Quote Line to start adding all the individual line items. Enter all relevant details into the flyout window. The fields of line name, quantity, and unit price are mandatory. You can enter the tax code here. GST is set by default to apply a 10% tax on the line item amount, and NT refers to no tax. A new tax code can be easily configured based on your organization's requirements. A discount can be applied on each line item as a percentage or as an amount. Once you have completed the details, click Create. Add more line items as required to complete creation of your quote. Editing a quote. To edit a quote, navigate to Quotes List page. Locate the quote you want to edit either by scrolling through or using the search bar. Click on the title of the quote you wish to edit. Here, all the editable fields of the quote are displayed. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to store the changes. If you wish to edit the quote lines, simply find the quote line you wish to edit, click on the title, edit any relevant fields, then click Save and Close. Once you have finished editing the quote, click on the Save button. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the quote. Deleting a quote. It is not possible to delete a quote record from the system. Observe on the Details page, the Delete button is disabled. However, you should consider changing the status to Deleted or Voided as applicable. This way, you can maintain a record of all quotes. In case you have marked the status as Deleted, then the record shall disappear from the Quotes List main view. All the records with deleted status are present in the Deleted view. However, you can delete the quote line items. To achieve the same, go to the Quote Details page. Select all line items you wish to delete, then click Delete Quote Line. This will delete all the selected quote line items.